In order to make a tasty snack, you will need key ingredients from your cupboards. And some port in order to steady my hands and get rid of the voices in my head to concentrate on this food. All good chefs need to be prejudiced with the egg from the white and the yellow yolk. So get that white yolk out of there. You gotta make a grate, which is really good to pull boogers out. Now we're gonna want a lot of butter. Wait, not that much butter. After melting the butter, I add it to the egg white. First, mix peanut butter with honey in a clockwise then counterclockwise direction. And then you need sugar! Lots of sugar! Then we need more honey. Wow, look at all that I just did. I need to reward myself with playing video games for an hour and a half. Where you at? Now back to cooking. What's this? Oh, it's our crappy burner. And the only thing it listens to is pain. And then put the sweet batter of yumminess on that bread. And then make it into a sandwich and batter them up, getting as much butter in the bread as possible. Then you gotta bring some heat into the kitchen to warm up the sandwich in even more butter. Flip it. Do not forget to flip it. Do not waste anything. Take everything extra, stir it together, and heat it up. It will be good. Here's what we got. Stuffed PB French toast and a side of what the f***? I need a piece of that. I'm gonna f***ing throw up.